Welcome back to the next one. This is just a clean up of the steps and make good to this here. And so I'm put that permit back on. Just going to do an upper view. Yeah, pretty steep, so it's got a handrail on it. Yeah, bit of cleaning to do. We'll go from there. I'll see you in a bit. You saw all washed off. So yeah, I'm just going to put some path and patio clean on it. Got bits more I need to take off. So yeah, that's the plan next. Leave that for a bit. Got carried away, I forgot to show you where I was at. Just built that side up. I'm just going to put something in there to stop that coming in more and just neaten it up. I'm getting there. Right, I'll see you in a bit. All done and complete. I put some capping stones on that one. Finish it off. A lot neater. So yeah, I'll take it up top. So that's it on this one. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe and hit the notification, and I'll see you on the next one. Ciao for now.